Hello and welcome to my airspace. I'm at this sweet spot in this little creek. Nice little waterfall up there, coming down from the canyon. This is a spot where we cross the creek to get down into the bottom of the valley. Isn't nature amazing? Such beauty, grace, harmony. If we could all just live our lives like nature, by natural law, we would flourish just like this forest. And the more I embrace living like nature, natural law, the more I flourish. I totally know it. I feel it. So I'm going to step across this little creek here and head up that path. Make it a wonderful day. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Leave a comment. It's about 7:30 in the morning. In case you're wondering what time of day it is. And, yeah, go out there and perform a random act of kindness today. And every day. Just something small, nothing important. You don't need recognition for it. You don't need to feed your ego. Just do something without letting anybody know it was you. Keep it private. And tell someone today, I love you. I love you. Bye.